Community-based monitoring, a tool for creation of empowered demand for critical public services. Stakeholder analysis. Stakeholder analysis is a crucial step in the design of any social accountability initiative. It helped to identify the full range of stakeholders influential to or influenced by the initiative and assess accountability relationships and power relations between them. This helped in giving shape to negotiation process. We realized that ex-Jagirdar, his descendants, Jati Panch, differences between scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and caste divisions within the Dalits will also become an important part of the strategy. Capacity building. Capacity building was repeated at various stages as required. All trainings used participatory adult learning methodology so that learnings could incorporate experiences. It was important to ensure that civil society organizations remained facilitators and did not become implementers. Two selected women community leaders from each village were oriented on the need, objectives, indicators, and process of the monitoring exercise, and they became the point persons.
दो बातें हुए, एक तो आपा हाँ लुगाई, लेकिन लुगाई सु आपा ने तो सगला याद करा दियो कि थे लुगाई हो, लेकिन आ बात आपा ने कोई सिखाई कि आपा नागरिक का, नागरिक आपा ने कोई सिखाई होगा भारत देश का नागरिक का, अगर आप बात कोई आपा सिखा दे तो आपा अधिकार लेना शुरू करते हो, तो आपा क्या अधिकार मिल रहा है?
Process of CBM. When women realized how data and evidence strengthened their demand, they were eager to collect information on a regular basis. However, illiteracy was a hurdle until they started depicting information with symbols. The symbols were finalized over a few workshops and assembled to create a language. They are based on traditional art form when used by women for wall painting during marriages and auspicious occasions. Baseline was created using social maps and symbols. It confirmed that access was a major issue for the Dalit community. Information was captured on a quarterly basis. The process has undergone several changes in an effort to make the community self-sufficient with its use. Some core guiding values were: CBM should utilize and increase community capacity. The community will understand its marginalization and vulnerability. Strengthened with this knowledge, the community will make efforts. And planning and action of the facilitating organization will depend on the analysis at the village level. Members of the women's collective sit around the social map chart of their village and discuss status household-wise. Each member is responsible for 5 to 10 neighboring households and readily provides the information. Information is noted on 12 pictorial formats. All data is gender desegregated. There is usually a lot of discussion and reasons for non-access are analyzed.
कौन minority का लाडला बीच में मिला का कारण गए कौन नहीं
2-3 महीने में फंस गया.
Members separate with an action plan.
जो हमें 2 महीना लतेटे का पूरा हो जा रही दिसंबर तक है. हाँ, sorry.
Negotiation process. The most crucial and challenging element is to elicit a response from public officials. However, negotiation process that started with being ad hoc are now being institutionalized. There are regular community level meetings with government officials. Dalit women leaders collect information about Gram Sabhas, Gram Sachivalayas, Jan Sunwais and Gram Chopals in advance and participate with preparation. They sometimes also use the local media to generate public outrage when needed.
है कि कम से कम 7 दिन के अंदर ये समाधान बिल्कुल होगा.
Institutionalization, citizen-state bridging mechanisms, attitudes and capacities of citizens and civil society actors. Attitudes and capacities of state actors, enabling environment, constructive and solution-oriented approach are critical factors for institutionalization of social accountability.